यस मैम।
दोनों पोएम सुनाना है आपको।
यस मैम। I know a fun.
Zoo manner.
Yes ma'am. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the zoo. When you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump.
Camel's hump.
I know a funny little man as quiet as a mouse who does the mischief that is done in everybody's house. There's no one ever.
Okay. Carry on.
टेस्ट हो गया।